Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In Ramadan 2023, we set out with a lofty mission of raising $8.1 million for a facility that would house our seminary, masjid, and new Islamic school. On January 31st, 2024, we closed on the property. We still carry about $2.1 million in qard hasana that must be paid soon. But what have we done since then? Alhamdulillah, we moved the seminary to the new facility. We now have over 120 students in our full-time seminary that includes Dawratul Hadith, Hifth program, and Maktab programs. As for our masjid, by the name of Masjid Hidayah, it now has 5 daily prayers and Jumu'ahs. Our facility can house up to 1,100 congregants. We've launched a bi-weekly family night and a monthly community breakfast on the second Saturday of every month. We also have a gym for our students, and recently we made a makeshift pickleball court for the local community. As for our school, by the name of Guidance Islamic School, we have 124 students in our very first year. We launched in August 2024, soon after the closing in January 2024. With the grace of Allah, our seminary staff contributes to the Islamic education in the Islamic school as well. In our first year, we have from pre-K all the way till 7th grade. And every subsequent year, we will add a year to the Islamic school, insha'Allah ta'ala. This will be a continuous sadaqah jariyah for everyone who helped in any way, no matter how small or big the contribution. But the job isn't finished. We still need to collect $2.1 million to pay off the loans we took to close on the property. Please spread the word, contribute, and make dua as well. Be prepared for more great things to come, insha'Allah ta'ala. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.